Respectable audience, I have to simplify this question. So, first of all, the first step we have to take is to eliminate this point, our decimal points. So we can write it as 27 divided by 100, not 1000. So its power will be minus 1 by 3. Now, I have told you that power should not be negative. So we have a rule: if we have a over b and its power minus m, then it can be written as b over a, and its power will be positive. Mean we have to flip this one to make power positive. So 100,000 divided by 27, we have flipped this one to get power positive. It will become 1 by 3. Now we will make factors. 1000 can be written as 10 times 10 times 10. And its power is 1 by 3. Similarly, 27, we have its factor 3 times 3 times 3, and its power will also be 1 over 3. Now again, we have to make this as in the form par. So we will get 10 par 3, and it has already par 1 by 3, divided by 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 raised to par 3, and it has already par 1 by 3. Now we have a rule. A rule is a bar m times n. It will be written as a bar m multiplied by n. So we will write this in the same way. We will get 10 raised to power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3, and 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. Here is simple cancellation. 3 and 3 are canceled, and here is also cancellation. So we will get 10 divided by 3, which is our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.